Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please read the disclaimer mentioned in the description before watching the video. Today's topic is Law versus Act. Let's understand its relation and its key differences. Now let's see how law and act relate. A law is a broader system of established rules which govern a society. Laws include various forms such as common law, constitutional law, and regulations. An act is a specific and written statute passed by a legislature and granted official assent. An act is a subset of the law. Every act is a form of law, but not every law is an act. Now let's understand the key differences between law and act. In case of law, first, it's a broader system and it has an established rules. Second, it includes all legal norms. Third, it evolved over time. And fourth, it's a unwritten or in written form. In case of acts, first, it's a specific legislation. Second, passed by Parliament. Third, it's a written statute. And fourth, it addresses particular matters. Now I give you an example to know a distinction between these two terms. Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita (BNS) is an act, a specific piece of legislature passed by Parliament to define criminal offences and penalties. However, law is broader and it includes not just acts but also ordinances issued by the President, regulations made by authorities, and judicial precedents set by court decisions. This distinction helps understand that while every act is part of the law, not all law comes from acts. Remember, law is a broader system of rules. Acts are the specific pieces of legislation within that system. Through this video, I informed you the meaning of law and act, their relation, and its key differences. See you in the next video. Bye.